Okay, so everyone has been asking, how's the pool project coming? So I thought I'd give a quick little run around this morning on how it's going before we get started on the next step. Where we are right now is we're about to set posts for the deck that goes around the pool. It was a devil of a process trying to get the holes dug for the posts in our concrete ground, which is basically what we've got in our neck of the woods in southern Oklahoma. So I'm going to turn this around and show you kind of where we're at on this. If I can figure out the turnaround on it. Nope, I can't. Okay, so I'll just flip it. All right, so what we've got going on here is we dug all the holes, and we've got the string lines put back up. I don't know why that little thing turned back around. We've got the string lines put back up, which signifies where all the posts will be set. This will be our little gazebo off on the side over here. Hope you can see this. This actually right here is our regeneration area. That's where the plant life will be. Hope I don't fall in a hole. Okay. And then going back down over here, if you can see back this way, we've got that tarp over there because we had some freak rainstorms come in the middle of our drought. They were teeny tiny little rainstorms. They really didn't amount to much, but we didn't want the sand to get washed down. In the midst of this, we have put down some sand to kind of help smooth out any uneven areas in the bottom from the digger. It has teeth on it, so it doesn't really make smooth marks. So this is where we're at right now. Our next steps will be getting the posts in the ground for where the deck will run around the pool. And then we have to use this pile of topsoil to make a berm around the edge and bring up the level to make it completely level around the edge. There's not that much difference, but we do have to bring up that level. And then once all of that is set and ready, we do have a little bit of plumbing and electrical to lay in, but then we'll be able to put in our underliner and our liner. That's what we're really aiming for. I can't wait. That's what I'm so excited about it. So I'll just walk down here real quick so you can see, I don't know if you can see these strings down here. These strings, or the string lines, are where the edge of the posts will be. Not necessarily where the edge of the deck will be, but that's where the edge of the posts will be. Over here, these strings are where the pier will be for the kids to run and jump off into the pool. You can see that. And yeah, that's where we're at today. Now it's early in the morning. I'm a slave driver. Well, I'm an early riser, Army, my daddy, all that. And my husband's really not an early riser, so I've been kicking him out of bed in the mornings, trying to get him to get up and go, and he's not real happy. So he ran to grab a Monster. I'm getting everything ready. We cut the posts last night, and we are going to be mixing concrete by hand. Really hate that part. And getting them into these holes. So hopefully by the end of today, taking a break in the middle of the day because it's like 500 degrees. But hopefully by the end of today, we will have posts in the ground.